Puppies! Puppies! Come here! Come here! Come here! Yeah! Hey, puppies! Hey! Hey everybody, it's Lyndall. I'm making a video. I have two Great Pyrenees and Border Collie puppies right here. I got them from Petco. A lady was going to take them to the Humane Society. Of course, I couldn't let that happen. So, they are completely free. They're female. They're 12-week-old. They are completely adorable. So, somebody please come and take them. They're very playful. They're wonderful babies. They're very sweet and loving. So, somebody please come and take them home. Hey, baby. If you want them, just contact me on Facebook. Love y'all. And again, here they are. Come here, babies. Come on, girls. Come on, sweeties. Come on, sweeties. Yeah. Hey, girls. Hey, girls. Oh, yes, and they are black and mostly white under their chest, their bellies, their faces, and they're going to be very big dogs, very protective, and very good kid dogs. They're gentle giants. And they're very, very playful. Look at them. Aren't they adorable? Yes. Look at them. And yes, I know I need to cut my grass. It's very long. But look at the babies. Yes. Oh. But bye, everybody. Love y'all.